Right now, some new information tonight coming in about North Carolina's first coronavirus case.
This started out as something we were hoping we could keep contained in China. Unfortunately, attempts to contain it in that area have been unsuccessful. Over the past 10 days, 2 weeks, we've really seen increasing spread throughout the world, and now officially are in a pandemic, a worldwide transmission of this COVID-19 infection.
We're able to take care of our entire community and wrap them in this care, both medical care, social care, psychological care that they need right now.
That is why I could not be more excited than to announce here today that Atrium Health, together with the CEOs of the Carolina Panthers, Bank of America, Honeywell, Lowe's, Blue Cross Blue Shield, Red Ventures, and others that will be joining in the coming weeks, have committed collectively to donate 1 million masks to this cause.
Atrium Health has an incredible group of teammates. They have stepped up during this COVID event in ways that you can't even imagine.
This is something we're fighting that doesn't have a face. It's really scary because it can indiscriminately take life. So we're scared for ourselves and our family members for that reason, and friends in the community. But when you feel like the community rallies around you, that they're in this fight with you, and that they're willing to take their time and their energy to give you resources to help make your job safer, that's huge.
I personally had no concept of the number of people impacted, the number of deaths that would be associated with COVID over this past year. But let 500,000 people dead kind of sit with you just for a minute. That's a massive number, and I think just highlights how significant of an impact this virus has had on us.
Turned 72 yesterday, so this is like the best birthday present ever. I suddenly feel better. I don't know why.
And the reason this has worked is because we brought together great local government, Atrium Health and the healthcare system, our business community and our nonprofits to get masks into the hands of our most vulnerable community members. 1 million masks in 10 weeks.
Healthcare workers are exhausted. Our hospitals are full of patients. Healthcare workers have been impacted personally by COVID. They have lost family members. They're living this both at work and outside of work, and it has been probably the hardest thing most healthcare workers have ever gone through in their lives. So to have a piece of hope after such darkness for so long is incredibly momentous.
I'm running out of adjectives to describe how I feel, how we feel on this historic day.
This is like our Super Bowl. We've all seen the tragic loss of life as a result of this pandemic, the tragic economic impact it's had on communities, especially communities of color, some of our rural areas as well. And the great thing about Atrium is we serve all those communities.
It is really emotional to be out here because you see it in the faces of our patients. You even see it in the faces of our teammates. We've had a long, hard road. And for our teammates to hear from patients, thank you, but it's really us that wants to say thank you to them, because we're able to now give them joy. We give them hope. We have something for them to look forward to.
I think our resilience has grown so much, and not just as healthcare workers, but as a community, as a Charlotte community.
If there was ever a moment to be Atrium proud in all this, I'm Atrium proud for what everyone has done.